Hello friends, welcome to Nina's Kitchen. Today I will make the naan. Naan is a form of roti. Instead of roti, you can eat naan with the vegetable or dal. To make the naan, most of the people in India, people make this naan into the tandoor. Tandoor is the place where they put the charcoal in the bottom, and on the sideways you can put the roti, and then you can bake the roti accordingly. Some people, they make this roti into the oven, but if the person don't have the oven or the tandoor, then we will make this roti on the stove. To make this roti, 99% people, they make this roti from the whole wheat flour, not from the whole wheat flour but from the all-purpose flour. But today I will make this roti from the whole wheat flour. In order to make this roti, I have taken 1 cup of the whole wheat flour. To have the flavor of the all-purpose flour, I have taken half cup of the all-purpose flour. For the ingredients, I have taken the 1 tablespoon of the sugar, salt to taste. I have taken 1/4 teaspoon of the salt, the 1/4 teaspoon of the baking powder, one-eighth spoon of the baking soda, and also I took half cup of the plain yogurt. I just put the yogurt inside. I will mix the dough first with the yogurt. Now I am ready to make the dough with the water. To make the dough, I have taken the lukewarm water, not too hot, not too cold. Let's see how much I need to make how much water I need to make the dough. First of all, I have taken half cup of the water. I will add slowly and slowly. The dough should be like that, not too thick, not too thin. It should not stick with your finger. Now you have to take a little bit of oil in your hand and knead the dough. To make the dough smooth, just put the oil and put the oil on the bottom and just keep it and cover it up at least for half an hour. Friends, the dough is trying to set. Meantime, I am getting ready some ingredients. If you would like to make the plain butter naan, you can do it too. But today I will put some kalonji. It's a black, similar like a black sesame seeds. You can get it into the Indian store. I have cut the 1 tablespoon of the coriander, and if you like to put the garlic, I took this 2 pieces of garlic clove and I grate them and keep the stuff ready. If you don't want to put it on, it's your choice. Let's see how my dough is. The dough is getting ready now. So let's knead the dough again with a little bit of the oil in your hand. It turned out to be a very good I will take the little ball, make the little ball. I made at least 6 ball. It's like a big lemon size of the ball. All this ball, I will tuck all the ends like that and keep it ready. I made the medium size of the naan, not too big, not too small. I will start the stove now to keep the pan ready. Now I am ready to roll the naan. I took some whole wheat flour for the dusting. Also, I took some water. You can make any shape, whatever you like it. First of all, I'll put some kalonji. Sprinkle some kalonji. Then I will put some coriander. And roll it. Now I will turn the side. I will turn the side very slowly. And I will spread some water on the other side. You can use the spoon, you can use the brush. Now my pan is ready. So I will put the naan into the stove on the pan, but make sure I put the water. That side has to go slowly in. This naan, I will put some garlic inside. So the one I have the grated garlic, I will spread a little bit of the garlic. Also, I will put some kalonji. I'll put some coriander too. Meantime, you can see that the naan is bubbling. Because we don't have the oven, we are not going to bake into the oven. So what I will do, I will take this pan onto the stove. Just on the one side only. I will try to bake one side, other side has been done. So this one is, the naan is ready. You can see that the naan is ready. The other side you can see the flavor like a oven too. Now I'm making the another one. We have to put the butter on this naan. If you don't want to put the butter, you should be fine. You can see that it's so soft and you can eat very well too. Now this one is fluffing very well too. On this one, you can do this way too. On the stove. By the way, you can use this non-stick pan too. See, non-stick pan, if the bubbles comes out, it will be very, very nice. Now this one is ready. You can cook on that way too to bake it. If you have the gas flame stove, you have to make the naan like that. So in order it can cook evenly. See, you can have the flavor like real naan. It's baked properly. You can take it out. It's done. Friends, you can see that I made the naan with the whole wheat flour. It turned out to be so nice. You can make this naan at home. You can try with your family and enjoy this naan with your favorite vegetable. And if you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and enjoy the food.